Hello everyone, I am Yasser Wali and I work as an AI/ML testing engineer here at Testiva. Today I am going to show you how to evaluate the RAG application. So starting with the system overview first, this is the medical RAG assistant and it is built on the top of Medline Plus data, and it's work by when the user enter the query, the system retrieve the relevant chunks and answer the question. So to evaluate it properly, we need to check its both layer, the retrieval layer and the generation layer. For the generation layer, we will check the hallucination and the answer relevancy. And for the retrieval layer, we check its the context precision and the context recall. Now moving to the actual evaluation part. So this is the file structure of script. Now before evaluation, we need a expert domain golden dataset, and it contains the questions and the ground dataset, so we can compare it with the actual answer from our system. As you can see, it has question and the ground truth. Now we have test script. So this script is used to send the request to the actual our application, and we can receive the actual answer and its context, and it will be stored in the final evaluation dataset. So after running this script, we will get the final dataset and it is stored in the evaluation dataset.json. Now it has all the requirements, the question, context, answer, and the ground truth. Now we will be able to evaluate it with the deeper well framework. Now moving to the deeper well script. So this is the main script and we are using the deeper well and open source library for these matrices. So we are first important the libraries like faithfulness matrix, answer relevancy, contextual precision, and contextual recall. And next we are loading our dataset here, and we load that dataset into the LLM test cases, and then calculate the matrices with the GPT-4o mini LLM as a judge model. So after running it with Python deeperwell.py, we get the report in the confident AI dashboard. So this is the dashboard after running the test cases, and we have got the 4 test cases pass out of 5. Inside the test cases tab, we can see the detail of report, the input and the actual output from the RAG application. This is the failed test cases, and it is showing that the contextual pre-call precision matrix is fail, and it is showing the reason behind it. LLM as a judge model score it as 0.64. So this was the functional evaluation of the RAG application with the DeepWell. Now moving to the next part, which is how to perform the security testing with PROMFU. Again, PROMFU is an open source library or tool used to perform the red teaming or security teaming on our RAG application. So this is the configuration YAML file, and we mainly divide it into 4 main parts: the targeted application, purpose, plugins, and the strategies. So starting with the target, this is the target application, the RAG application. Then we set the purpose. So this is used by the POMFU, so it can generate the relevant attacks on our RAG application. Then we have the plugins. This is used to check the vulnerabilities in the RAG application. And in the last, we have strategies. It is used to deliver the attacks in the system. So after running this script with POMFU red team run, POMFU will generate the attacks on our system, and we will get the report with the POMFU red team report. So I'm going to show you the report for the system. After running the report, script, we get the report. So it has 4 critical vulnerabilities, and it includes the head speech, medical incorrect knowledge, medical hallucination, and self-harm. It's mean that the system is generating the response outside of its knowledge base. Then we have 2 high vulnerabilities, and it includes the resource hijacking and medical off-label use. It's mean the system is easily tricked into another domain. Then it has 3 high vulnerabilities and 3 low vulnerabilities as well. and it includes the race biasness, our religions, and gender biasness. So this was a complete breakdown how to evaluate the RAG application with DeepOwl and Scotty testing with the POMFO. Thank you.